Hey guys, how you doing? It's Joseph Jacone with the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. I'm over here with Mario Gallegos with Jade Carpet Cleaning. How you doing there, sir?
Doing well, Joseph.
Doing well today? Right on. Well, guys, we have Mario on the show today because actually my family's known Mario quite some time, and he's become a friend of the family. He's an awesome dude. I met him through his business that he's in. He's in the carpet cleaning business. And Mario's actually been serving our family for years and years and years. He's been always doing a killer job. I'm always looking up to this dude and his work ethic is always on point. Mario, why don't you tell everyone how long you've been doing this for, how you got into the business, and tell me a little bit about it.
So basically, Joseph, I started this business about 18 years ago. 1 year after my daughter was born, we named it after her. And, we've been hustling ever since. Cleaning carpets, air ducts, tile grout, linoleum, any fabric, pretty much, you name it, we do it.
You work with a lot of people, right? I mean, you probably served thousands of families at this point over the time that you've been doing this. And, what are some of your favorite parts about that?
As you know, I'm very personable, so I'm gonna admit it, I drink coffee with my customers, I talk to them, I come real close with my customers, and that's real. It's a real joy, to see their kids grow up and they're taller than me. I mean, I've met them when they're tiny, and I would let them hold my wand and clean the carpet with me sometimes, and now they're like taller than me. It's just a joy to see things from the ground up, I guess.
Absolutely.
So I definitely am prideful in what I do. I take pride in cleaning carpet or anything that I clean, the service that I provide. I want to make sure it's top notch, that you're extremely happy, because if the customer is not happy in my mind, then I'm not going to get a return customer, or I'm not going to get referrals. And basically that's my business, is referrals.
Here's what I've noticed. You've earned your 5-star review. You haven't been doing a lot of marketing. Your word of mouth and your service speaks for itself. And if you're going to get referred, it's because you did someone right. And you have to do that over and over and over again. Over time, you got this big book of business of doing people right. You earned every bit of that 5-star review. So, pretty impressive place to be honest.
I'm thankful.
Yeah, right on. All right, everyone. So if you want to find Mario with Jade Carpet Cleaning, he's on Facebook. Go look him up. Is there a phone number you want to plug for yourself?
505-831-1125. And my longtime customers have my cell phone number.
Ready to go.
Yes. But also 505-804-2825. And either phone number gets me directly, so.
Right on. Well, Mario, I want to thank you for coming on the show today. It's truly been an honor. Thank you for everything.
Joseph.
Seriously, thank you, man. Have a good one.